Here we have the Magic the Gathering deck builder project video. As you can see on the main screen, there's English and German that we can choose from. German switches the language to German, proves internationalization. All the buttons are in German, and deck statistics are all written in German, and all the instructions and prompts are written in German. We will be doing English for the demo because we understand English. So here we have a pre-made deck. It's got two cards in it. They're the same card, both called Rancor. Here we can add a card. So say we want to add the Island Land card, and we want to add 20 of them. We can do so. And it'll take a little bit. Say adding successfully. We can see at the bottom that the number has increased to 22, and we are at 1 of 22. So we can go, and we can see that we have 20 islands and 2 Rancors at the very beginning, as you saw before. Say we want to just remove a bunch of islands. We can. We can see that now we have only 9 cards in the deck, so we can count them. You wanted start at 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we can see the Rancors are still at the front of the deck. Say we want to view the statistics of the deck. We can see that in the statistics we have 9 cards, and of this 9 cards in the deck, 7 are lands, and the number of islands is right below the number of lands. We have 7 islands and no other lands, no other type of non-basic lands. We have 0 creatures, and then 2 enchantments. Rancor is an enchantment, and the number of green mana, which is the number of total mana needed to cast cards, is 2, because Rancor only costs 1 green mana. We can also search for cards. So say we want to search for different attributes other than name. We can type in power, hit OK, and we want to search for power on creatures that have 11 power. Completes the search, and we can see that we have 8 creatures in Magic that have exactly 11 power. And say we want to add Darksteel Colossus. We just click Add Card up at the top, and it'll ask how many we want to add. So we want to add 4. Hit OK. They were added successfully. We go to the deck, and we can see that past all the islands, we have 4 Darksteel Colossuses. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have our islands and our 2 Rancors. Say we want to view our statistics again. We click the statistics, and we now have 13 cards on the deck. 7 are lands, those 7 islands, 4 creatures, the Darksteel Colossus, and then 2 Rancors, the enchantments. The Darksteel Colossus is also an artifact, so we see that we have 4 artifacts, and then 2 green mana, and the rest are 0 because Darksteel Colossus cost 0 colorless mana, but that we didn't decide to include that because that was not prevalent to deck. So we can go to deck and say we want to save this deck because it's really awesome. We click save. We type in file name and hit save, and it is supposedly saved. And so now we can remove all the cards from this deck, and we'll load in a new deck, and we can go and find the deck that we just saved, call it deck, open it. It'll take a little bit to load the cards. It's just done because it's searching for all the cards as we load them to create them. And the deck has been loaded, and we can see that we have our 2 Rancors, our 9 islands, and our 4 Darksteel Colossuses. And that is our project.